Hello, blessed people. Welcome back to another day in the life vlog. It's been a busy week. This day was a good day though. Definitely got a lot done as far as cooking and just kind of cleaning and being a mother in general. But as you can see here, Grace is helping me make eggs. She basically made the eggs. I just kind of assisted her. And then I'm just going to start cleaning up. I did have my prayer and devotion this morning, so it's a good morning and I'm just getting ready for the day. This was a school day, so my husband took the younger three to school already, and not the younger three, I'm sorry, the three in the middle, so to speak, to childcare. And so I'm just home with my two homeschoolers as well as my little Christian who is asleep right now. So I'm folding clothes, just trying to get some things done, just gonna kind of clean up. I always say that being a mother is so rewarding because it definitely is. Like, I love being a mother. I will say to anyone who wants to have a large family, whatever your definition of a large family is, just be mindful that it does require a lot of patience because I have 6 children. My oldest is 8, so they're pretty close in age. And I just have to be mindful of the fact that they all need me as their mother. And so it's very important, especially when you have a large family, to give each child their individual time because you don't want them to feel like they can't come to you whenever they need you. And so it's very important for me to engage with the ones that can talk, right? I even asked Matt though how his day was. He won't really say much, and then I'll say, well, did you go outside? And he'll say, yeah. So just opening up that dialogue, that conversation with them, making sure we're communicating. I did have one of my children come and tell me that one of the kids was being mean to them, and she told me that the teacher handled the situation, but I definitely took that as a teachable moment to let them know that in life sometimes people are mean. They might have had a bad day or something like that, and so it's always good to talk to them to help them for later on in life. But as you can see here, Will is eating my food from the day before. Y'all, that mango habanero from Buffalo Wild Wings is the truth. But I'm also reading my word. Then we went out for a walk. It was a good walk. I feel like it's so important just to get out, get some vitamin D. And so that's what we're doing here because it's important. And I love getting out. And it definitely helps mentally as well versus being in the house all day, especially if it's warm outside. It was warming up. I think this day was like 81 degrees. So yeah, it was a good day to get out and just walk around with the kids. And there's Christian. He's getting so big, y'all. It's getting juicy, at least to me, right? Because I know how small he was, so he's getting big. Now I'm preparing my chicken. I always pat it dry after I soak it. I've been using vinegar. Sometimes I'll add baking soda. It just depends. I also heard lemon juice is good as well for cleaning chicken, but I definitely do vinegar and baking soda. And these are the ingredients that I'm going to use. Very flavorful. Even if you are going to use a sauce, this just adds a little extra oomph to it, especially the paprika and chili powder. Those are 2 great seasonings that give the extra oomph, along with garlic powder and onion powder. And here I'm just cutting up my chicken. For chicken nuggets, we're going to have chicken nuggets and chicken wings today. I did chicken nuggets the day before, as you can see, so they ate all of that. So we're just gonna make some more because we had some leftover chicken breast and I can't think of anything else to cook, so I'm just gonna cook the chicken breast. I'm gonna do the nuggets in the air fryer, and then I'm gonna do the chicken wings over the stove and just fry them. The plan was to sauce them this day, but what ended up happening was I made the mango pepper wings, and so some of us had that and the other ones just ate the chicken as it was, but it was really good. But Ava, Will, and Grace wanted honey barbecue nuggets, so I did put some honey barbecue in a little bag and just shook the bag up so they could have honey barbecue. Some of the kids had wings. I think maybe Kara was the only one that didn't get wings. Everyone else had at least 1, maybe 2 wings and nuggets, so it worked out really good. They also ate some. I also cut up some potatoes, and I just decided that at the last minute. So they also had like cut potatoes that I put in the air fryer. We had 2 batches of those, and they were satisfied. So we had a good dinner. As you can see here, I was able to do some cleaning in between, so I was very excited about that. Sometimes I can't always clean in between depending on who I'm catering to. I don't know if y'all can hear Christian, but he's making a lot of noise right now. But anyway, I was able to get some cleaning done while I was waiting for the chicken to fry. I only had Grace home. I think Will went with Bill to pick up the other kids, and Christian was asleep. So I'm just kind of cleaning up as I go. And yeah, that's always a good thing for me. Now I'm taking the chicken out because it is done, definitely crispy. I do like breaded chicken sometimes, but we just didn't do that. Y'all see how good the nuggets look? They were definitely ready. And like I said, I did some with mango pepper. Some of the ones were just regular wings, but I did sauce up the barbecue. And those are the mango pepper. I use whipped butter because that's what we had, and it was definitely good. Like, you could taste the butter more, it seemed like. I mean, that might not be true, but it tastes to me like I could taste a stronger butter flavor. So that with the mango butter seasoning was, I mean, the mango pepper seasoning was like a hit. I was so excited. You'll see my facial expression. I was definitely excited. Like, this was really good. So anyway, thank you all so much for watching, and we will see you all in the next video. Happy eating.